Come on, Phoenix. Get out of here. Well, anyways, welcome back to the vlogs. Get out of there. What was that? What was it? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. We're at 5 views from the last short. Bendy! Get out of there! 5 views from the last short. We can do it for 6. Because I believe. So, Susy Dog's Gone Sus Part 2 is coming. It's probably... Fendi! Don't eat that! I mean, we're gonna film it in my truck or one of those 2 trucks, either one, or we're gonna film it right out here on the porch. It's gonna be the Among Us music going boop 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 boom boop boop boom 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 like that, you know. Fendi! I honestly hope that you guys could see that. Fendi. What? Better not go over there. Ah! Mushroom from yesterday. Grasshopper from yesterday. There's a bee there. Where'd he go? Oh, also, this is my dad. Dad, you're on YouTube. I believe we can make it to 6 views for my last short to make Susy Amogus Dogs Gone Sus Part 2. I believe we can make a whole series of it. Fendi, stop eating that! Ah! I don't care if you like it, don't eat it. Hey, yo, alright. Phoenix. Was that pee? Hey, Dad. Yeah. I'm thinking of filming the Sussy and Mogus Dogs Part 2. If we get to 6 views, we could film it in one of the vehicles.
How you want to film it in a vehicle for?
I don't know. We'll film it in the vehicle or over there at the steps.
No, what about on the porch?
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you in the next short, I guess. Bye.